Welcome to Home of Math. Converting repeating decimals to common fraction. Number 1. Repeating decimal of 0.4 and 4. 4 is a repeating decimal. First, we have to know the rules for converting repeating decimals. We know once we make to common fraction, here is common fraction, one part is numerator, another one is denominator. In numerator part, what can we do? Look, here numerator of the desired fraction equals the integer obtained by the deleting the decimal point. It means we will use 4 and 4, we will not use decimal point, and then we will subtracting non-repeating portion after the decimal, but beside 4 here is nothing, so we will subtract 0, and denominator is obtained by the putting as many nines, as many digits in the repeating part, followed by as many zeros in the non-repeat part after the decimal point. So here is after decimal point 2 number is repeating, so we will use 2 9, but here is no non-repeating part, so we will not use any 0. So this one is 4 4 9 9. So we can divide this one by 11. So here is 4, here is 9. So our answer is 4 by 9. Number 2, 3.04623, it's a decimal part, which is repeating decimal part. So what can we do in numerator? First, we have to write all number deleting decimal point. So 3 0 4 6 2 3, and now we will subtracting 6 2 3 is a repeating decimal, beside here is 3 0 4, right? And denominator, here is 3 numbers are repeating, so we can write 3 nines, and after decimal 2 numbers are non-repeating, so 0 0, right? Now we can use calculator. So this one we can write 304623 minus 304, it means 304 319, and divide 99900. So we cannot divide anything. This is an improper fraction, so we can make this one is mixed fraction. The answer is 3,999,000 and numerator 4619. This is our answer. Next question, 0.012. Here 12 is a repeating decimal. So number 3, 0.012, this is a repeating decimal. As per rule, first we have to write 1 2 because we are deleting decimal point. Now we will subtracting before all numbers, so here is nothing, so we can write 0. Look, here is 1 and 2 are decimal repeating decimal, so we can write 9 and 9, and 0 is a non-decimal, non-repeating decimal, so we can write 0. So here is 12 and 990, right? Now look, we can divide this one by what? We can divide by 2, so it will be 6, and here is what? 495. Okay, again this one we can divide by 3, so here is 2 and here is 165. So our answer is 2 divide 165, right? Number 3 done. Now number 4, where is 3.3124? Here 24 is a repeating decimal, so we can write in here. Number 4, 3.3124. This is repeating decimal. So first we can write 33124, then subtract 331, divide, here is 2 number is repeating decimal, so 9 and 9, and 2 number is non-repeating decimal, so 0 0. Okay, and now look, here is 32793 and here is 9900. Okay, so this one once we divide we will get 31031 divide 3300. This is our answer.